time driving a camper van. There's our bed, our kitchen. Wow. Tim, how does it feel to drive a camper van?
I was born to do this.
You're born to do this? Beautiful weather, so many hills around us. Driving into Hobart City from the airport.
I was running for the hills, I knew no more about today. Thinking backwards, thinking forward, either way, not much to say. Isolation's quite a way to deal with this space. Falling at my feet, I knew my time was gone, and I was alone. And I'm sick thinking of me, what can I do for you, and what do you want? What do you love? To my window to the sky.
Welcome to the Hobart, Tasmania edition. It's pretty cold this morning, as you can see, wearing gloves and a beanie. We have been exploring, self-guided walking tour of the city. And now we are heading back up to the city.
To my window to the sky. Falling down, I thought I had it all wrapped up inside my head. And I was rearranging thoughts for others' eyes instead. Falling at my feet, I knew my time was gone, and I was alone. And I'm
0
sick.
degrees.
Is it 0.5 or 05.3? Go, hurry.
Which is 0 degrees.
It's 5 degrees.
It's 0 degrees. We're in the land of penguins.
What can I do for you, and what do you want? What do you love? To my window to the sky. To my window to the sky. To my window to the sky. And there were times when I thought I could hold somebody's hand, that I deserved it and someone would understand. But I just seem to break the people that I find. Oh, the people that I find. Oh, the people that I find.
Driving to Richmond, the old historic town. And we're literally 10 minutes out of Hobart City. And all of a sudden, we've just started seeing crazy little country shops. This is called the Coal River Valley Wine Region. And we're seeing all these old farmhouses. Just beautiful.
To my window to the star, and I'm thankful for you today. To my window to the sky, when you laugh I feel okay. There are diamonds in her eyes, for me so short to walk away.
Driving from Richmond to our caravan park. Hello, so this is our first night in Hobart. Here is the heater, thank goodness we have that. There's all these curtains, there's the TV. Here is our bed, like that, and there's the driving seat. So it's really cute, and there's our little kitchen. Loving Tasmania, loving the camper van. Peace. I need help parking.
To my window to the sky.
How are you driving, Jord?
Good, just getting used to the car. It's a little bit scary being so high up, but just take it very slow.
Falling at my feet, I knew my time was gone and I was alone.
These remind me of the business school steps.
On the corner of me, trying to keep it in. You say I wanna move on. You say I'm falling.
What?
Me in my mind. Can you read my mind? I never really gave up on breaking out of this two-star town. I got the green light, I got a little fight. I wanna turn this thing around. Can you read my mind, babe? Can you read my mind? The good old days, the honest man, the restless heart, the promised land, the subtle kiss that no one sees, the broken wrist and the picture piece. Oh, I don't mind if you don't, 'cause I don't shine if you don't. Put your back on me. It's funny how you just break down, waiting on some sign. I pull up to the front of your driveway with magic soaking my spine. Can you read my mind? Read my mind. The teenage queen, the loaded gun, the drop-dead dream, the chosen one, a southern draw, the world unseen, a city wall and a trampoline. Oh, I don't mind if you don't, 'cause I don't shine if you don't. Put your back on me. It's slipping in my face until I fall. You never.
No, they can't be. They can't be.
They're real fish.
No, they're not. You reckon? That'll take a couple more seconds.
Fly again. Oh, I don't mind if you don't, 'cause I don't shine if you don't. Put your back on me and make shit right. Stirring mixed through ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in it wishing dancing, sipping on coke and rum. I'm like so out, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have me some fun, yeah. Read my mind, R. Kelly, baby.
Into the city, there is the ABC, Royal Botanic Gardens to the left. We're driving to Mount Wellington, beautiful blue skies. Driving to Kunini and the summit of Mount Wellington, beautiful mountain. Tim's doing really well. Driving up to Mount Wellington, it is amazing. There, you get a glimpse, there's mountains, there's ocean, and we'll meet you at the summit. To the summit of Mount Wellington, we have nearly conquered the mountain. We have walked the entire way.
I take the brakes off.
Coming up to the summit of Puniani, aka Mount Wellington.
Whatever takes us, so yeah, yeah, oh yeah. To get high. I chase the devil.
Victoria.
Into the sky, oh yeah. 'Cause he's the one who taught me where to fly. I forget my name 'cause it's so insane.
Where are we? Mount Wellington.
I forget my name. Oh, I forget my name. 'Cause it's so insane.
There is some ice. It's been snowing, luckily not today. Otherwise we couldn't have driven to the top of Mount Wellington. There's heaps of snow. There's the car park.
I take the brakes off.
There is the bathroom, and there's our view.
And alright. Who never takes us, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Oh, to get high. Oh, I forget my name. Oh, 'cause it's so insane.
They even had Facebook. What's Facebook, man?
Dome on top and about thumb width worth of head. So, someone can drink that fella. Who else would like to go, sorry? Or you can have a couple of rounds. Who else would like to go?
Oh, so close to the case of beer. Nice relaxing drive, George.
Oh, sorry. Thank God for this thing. We figured out to put it there. It was up there, but we remembered heat rises and it just was not getting hot. We're literally freezing. Good night from Hobart.